channel, Lynn here. I'm gonna make a fat flasher smoothie today with only few ingredients. I hope you like it and thank you for all who subscribe on my channel. 350 over subscribers. Yay! Thank you.
So on this fat flasher recipe, you are gonna need a blender. So here's my blender, and you are gonna need half of this avocado, 1 cucumber, and a protein powder. Any protein powder will do. So this is on sale. I got this. It's the President's Choice soy protein. So I'm gonna need two tablespoons of this, and then an almond milk. I used unsweetened almond, and then it's supposed to be a cup of an almond milk. And then you're gonna need some ice because we're supposed to use frozen cucumber, but I don't have it, so I'll just add ice. Depends on your consistency. There's no limit. Let's start by cutting this cucumber into pieces. There, I cut it into small cubes so that it's easier to blend when we use our blender, and we'll just put it here in our blender. Other half of it. Actually, cucumber, you can put it as much as you can because if you count it, it's not really, it's a healthy food. You can do unlimited, but because of the taste, depends on the taste, it might change the taste, right? So it's up to you. But I used one small one on mine, or because some cucumbers are really big, so it's really up to you. There you go. Now we are gonna need the avocado, but we only need half of this avocado. So we're gonna cut it in half. There you go, half. So half of this I'm gonna use. I usually do like this. It's easier to scoop and faster to blend. Then I'm gonna scoop it out, put it there on my blender. There you go. Avocado. Next is our protein. I haven't opened this, so now I'm gonna open my protein powder. It has its own scoop, but since I only need 2 tablespoons, so I'm gonna use my own 1 teaspoon scoop. So make sure it's a hip. You might need something to help you level it. So this is one. By the way, this is for breakfast, or maybe anytime if you just want to have a lighter meal. So for me, I used it for my breakfast. And then I'm gonna pour my almond milk. That's 1 cup almond milk.
Oh, and then I forgot something very important. It's good to have some cinnamon with it.
So usually I just pour as much as I want cinnamon. So by the way, I'm gonna put all the ingredients that I'm putting today on the description box, so it's easier for you to look. So now I'm gonna put my ice. I'll start with 3 maybe. 3 ice cubes. And then let's press the smoothie button. So there's different buttons. So I usually pick the smoothie button. usually mix it to make sure that all ingredients will be blended. So I'll just grab a spoon. Yes, and then blend it more. Blend it more.
I pressed the wrong button.
Let's check again. Oh, it's really smooth now. One last one. And we're done. Now we'll pour it on the glass. This is for one person only, this recipe. So this is for you only. If you want others to have, they have to have another ingredient, another set of ingredients. So this is for one person. So you have to finish this as your breakfast. You should try this. It's really refreshing. The mixture of avocado and cucumber, which is so fresh. I hope you like it. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Ellen Yeg.